Have you ever wondered how to grow sweet potato vines from store-bought sweet potatoes? These vibrant plants are not only a sight for sore eyes, but they also grow rapidly and can help purify your indoor air. So, are you ready to learn how to grow your own sweet potato vines at home? Stay tuned. Before we dig into the process, gather the following materials: a sweet potato, a jar or glass, some toothpicks, and water. The sweet potato will sprout, the jar will hold it, toothpicks will suspend it, and water will nourish it. Now that you have all the materials ready, it's time to start the process. First, take your sweet potato and insert 4 toothpicks around the middle. Now, imagine this sweet potato as a tiny globe. The toothpicks are your equator, evenly spaced and firmly pushed in. Next, balance this miniature world on the rim of a glass jar filled with water. Make sure half of it is submerged. The top will be where your vine sprouts. Finally, place this jar in a sunny spot where the sun can encourage growth. In about 2 weeks, you'll notice sprouts emerging from the top of the sweet potato. Once your sweet potato has sprouted, it's time to nurture those little vines into full growth. This process involves a few simple steps. Firstly, change the water in your jar regularly to keep it fresh and clean. Secondly, ensure your sprouted sweet potato is basking in ample sunlight, as this is key to its growth. Lastly, keep a keen eye on your plant for root growth. A healthy root system is a sign of a thriving vine. With proper care, your sweet potato vine will start to flourish in no time. Growing sweet potato vines from store-bought sweet potatoes is a simple and rewarding process. Remember, all you need are a few basic materials and a little patience. In no time, you'll have a lush vine that not only beautifies your space, but also offers a sustainable source of sweet potatoes. It's an easy way to bring a touch of nature into your home while reaping the benefits of your own green thumb. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!